This is Mark at Tytronics. Ellen is taking the video. We're the repair technicians. This is a scanner that just came in for calibration. When it came in, I looked at the numbers, and the NCM reading was 0.76 hot to the right, and the scans were also 0.76 hot to the right. So I went, what's wrong? It's hot on the right side. Well, this is the left barrel. This is all skin and detritus, and that is the left barrel lens. This is the right barrel. That's all skin and detritus. And that is the right barrel lens. More stuff on the barrel equals fewer thermals getting through, meaning colder on the right. So it's hot on the right, colder on the left. These are some scans I did when it first came in. Now this is how we want you to clean your scanner. I have a dry Q-tip and a ruler. I'm going to hold the Q-tip down at about 2 inches. That way it can't hit that lens down there. I'm just going to stick it in the barrel and pull all that junk out. I don't know if you can see it flying out of there. And there's a whole bunch. I don't know if you see any of that one. So that's just a general cleaning. Now the next thing you would do would be to take a can of compressed air like this and squirt it down there and blow out the stuff on the lens. What I'm going to do now, if she holds on the screen, this is the next scan. And we're going to see what we gained. We only gained about a half a degree there on the center, so it needs the lens cleaned out as well. But that's what you need to do to clean your scanner. I will shoot this in, and then we'll pause a second, and I'll just put that in, blow it out, put that in. Actually, I'll try it now. It'll still be balanced left and right, but it should go really cold because of throwing the air in there. Yeah, that went really, really cold because the air is cold, so it's peg cold. That's it. Just make sure when you go in and clean your barrels, get the junk out of there. If you look down the barrels now, they're much cleaner than they were. And that'll help your scanning and help your balance. That's all. Thanks.